Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're back here at the storage space, and I'm going to try and finish off where I started with the 350, getting those bolts in, and we'll get a license plate on it, and maybe we'll work on the brakes or something. I want to replace the brake hose, and we got the new master cylinder lever coming for the scooter. So let's get into it and see what we can get done. We'll see you in a minute. Hey, there's a lake in front of my unit. We're gonna have to move somewhere. Maybe we'll move over in the sunlight over here or something. All right, let's see if we can get this bolt in here. I was struggling with this a little bit yesterday. What are you gonna do? Where do you put that bolt? Of course, hang on. Well, I don't know where we put the other bolt, but we got this bolt. This is the same bolt. All right. I was trying to figure out where's the damn hole. We'll come from this way first. Haha. Maybe we should loosen up the shock over here. All right, let's loosen up this shock over here. We'll loosen up the other side too. This is what kind of holds this back bar in place. I could just call it a grab bar. I don't know what it is. It's not really a grab bar, I guess. Hey, there we go. Let me get those other bolts, nuts, washers, whatever they are. This on there. This on there. Okay. All right. And we'll tighten the shocks back up. Yeah, one of the last things we got to do is take the seat off. You can see it's just bungee strapped here. We got to take this off, and we got to get the frame back half and put the mounts back on this frame. Somebody hacked them off for their cafe racer hack job. It's tricky. There's not much room under this fender. There we go. All right, there we go. All right. There we go. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, bud. All right. Standing in the water. Oh, geez. All right. Come on now. There we go. Get this guy on here. A couple more cranks, and we'll have got her. There we go. Okay. All right, well, I can't find where he put the other nuts and bolts, so temporarily we're just going to use some hardware I found laying around. All right. I got some bolts and some nuts here. Let's get this on here. Okay. There we go. Is there? Yeah, those bottom holes don't. The bottom holes don't line up. Let's see if we can find a small wrench here. I don't know what size this is. Yeah, 10 seems to work. Okay. All right. There we go. At least it's got plates on it. We're gonna call that good enough. All right. What I'd like to do is take a minute and see if we can find the side cover where the battery goes. I don't know where it went. It's here somewhere. I'm gonna take a look and we'll see if we can get that on there, and then we'll start this thing up. And I was like, where the heck did I put this thing? It was inside of a cardboard box. Don't ask me why, but I found it. Let's get it on here and let's start this thing up. All right. Get this on here. It's like a lake. All right. Gas is on. Adjust my idle. Choke. Okay. We got full lights. We're in neutral, right? Yeah, we're in neutral. Crack the throttle. Man, I love how she just starts right up. All right, now we're just gonna let her sit here for a minute, warm her up. Let's check some turn signals and stuff. Yep. 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 Brakes. Yep. Halo. Yep. Horn? Yep. All right. Oh, let's see if we can find the mirrors too. That'd be cool. Let's do that. All right, well, I found the mirrors. So that should be good. We just got to figure out which one's which here. Nice. Okay. I'm guessing that looks like the right one. Which thread are they? Ah, regular thread, not reverse thread. We got our nut here. Okay. There we go. All right. And the other one? Trash. Is this the same way? Oh! Good thing it landed not on the chrome. Okay. There we go. Whew, that was a close call. Ah, bug in my ear. Turn those out to the sides. Let's see how this looks. these mirrors are huge. There we go. It's weird. I never been on this bike with mirrors before. All right, let's give her see how she starts back up. We'll give her a little bit of a rip, and then we'll come back and work on the brakes. Swap this hose out. Yeah, it just starts right back up. Flip my head around. that flying off. All right, let's run it. You guys see my brake lights? I think everything's working. Yeah, there's not really much room for a little voltmeter. We're gonna have to find a place to put something. All right, let's do this. And she sounds good. Oh yeah, mirrors work. This one could use a little bit more out. Nice, nice. All right, super awesome. All right. Man, that was freaky. I thought I just saw somebody walk. Where am I? Walk right there. Oh, I bet you it was that tarp. I was like, what the hell? That was sketchy. All right, we're gonna start by replacing the brake hoses because they're like 51 years old. So let me get the, where'd I put all those brake lines? Man, like a chicken with my head cut off. All right, so we got, there's 3 brake lines. There's one from the master down to a distribution block, one from there. This hard line goes from, let's see, one of the distribution block, one over, you can see where I'm pointing, the other one over here, and then the hard line goes right to the caliper. Let's start up, where should we start? We'll piss out the whole master. Ah, shit, I don't know. We'll start somewhere, hang on. All right, we got our new hose. This is the top hose. Let's see if we can break this free. I might need some new crush washers. Let's see. Whoa, shit. Can't really see what I'm doing over here. There we go. Hang on. Yeah, it's gonna be hard to see what I'm doing in here, but there's a bolt right here. Okay. I'm hoping I can just quickly pull this up and lift it up so that the shit, it's dripping. See if we can get it out of here quick. Okay. All right. Now just stay, damn it. There we go. Now I got to find all those the crush washers and stuff. Let me find those. All right, I found the 2 washers and the bolt. Come over here, and it's the straight one that comes out of here. Set this down. Okay, this is gonna make a mess. Get another rag here. Let's get this in here. Tuck that right up in there. Hopefully. Okay. All right, I'm gonna get this thing ready. We're gonna try and do the old switcheroo. We need to hold this up. It's kind of hard when you're working by yourself, you know. Get our bolt back in here. Washer on either side. Yeah, it's weird. These have got little O-rings in them. Well, hopefully we don't have any leaks, otherwise we'll be getting new O-rings, or new crush washers with O-rings. Alright. Put this back in here. I'll tighten this one up kind of right here. Okay. We're going to leave that off for a moment. Make sure that's not leaking once we put it all back together. Okay. Come through here. Like this. Put our other crush washer on. Okay. Get this through here. This one's angled. Ah, damn it. Alright. Let's get this guy tightened up. She's dripping all over the place. I keep forgetting I have ratcheting wrenches. Let's give her bud. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. There we go. We got this hose replaced right here, all brand new. Down to where am I at here? That hose goes down over here. It's really hard to see. But we get that one done. Now I got to do the other one from over here down to over here. We'll do that one next. All right, I figured the next thing we do is take off the hard line here. There's gonna be some brake fluid in here. We just took this apart recently. If you remember, I swapped out the brake pads on this. So I know she's coming off. I think I even put some anti-sneeze in here. All right, so she disconnected. All right. Okay. Next is the there's a junction over here. Okay. Hang on a second. I will pull off the rest of this and this line here. See this line? We'll pull this off and we'll finish this up. All right. I was thinking about splitting the line, but I don't have to because we're going to just replace the whole damn thing. So we can just put that over there. Wipe this off. And then we got to just connect this guy to this guy right here, like so. And then I just got to find the right wrenches to make this work. Man, 14 ain't big enough. I'm sure I got something else. Hang on, let me find another wrench. All right, so I got what I got here? I got an 18 holding the big one. It's a little loose, and I got a 10 for this guy, which gotta turn this around. All right, tricky bit. Well, seems tight. All right. Yep. So then this just goes back kind of somewheres like this. Like this. Right, like there. Okay. Too much pissed out. Okay. All right, so we're gonna. Oh, nasty. Somebody's letting her eat, bud. Oh, it comes with the grommet on it. Now I see. I was like, where is it? It's already on there. Because I was like, there's no way with all these fittings that's coming off. Okay. All right, we got to clock this, not this guy. We got to clock the fitting down at the caliper. Okay, so we needed our 18. All right, and our 10. Okay, now we can sneak this through over here like this. Oh, take the wrench off of it. We won't be able to do that once we do that. All right, get this into place. Okay. Dang. I love Randall Road. People just ripping it. All right, we're gonna have to massage this pipe just a little bit. I had to massage it a little bit to get it to line up. It's a brand new hose. We don't want it touching anything. I think the hard line's touching anything. Maybe right back here. All right, now it's not touching. All right, cool. Next thing to do is fill it up with some juice and crack this bleeder here. All right, I guess an 8mm. Here we go. Perfect. All right. We'll just tighten that up. We'll raise you up and we'll fill this thing up. All right, let's take a look in here. We got some brake fluid. That's a little low, to be expected. Drink up, little buddy. Okay. Oh, easy boy, easy. Whoa, here we go. She's a sucking. Oh, we can't forget. Okay. We're gonna have to add more fluid there at some point. Okay. Let's see, do we have, let's put the reservoir lid back on. We still got some in there. May have to be bled a little bit more, but we'll see. Oh, that feels pretty good. Oh yeah. All right, let me turn around and we'll see how this is. She's working. She's working. Let's clean up the let me wash my hands off. Let's clean up this brake disc. There could be some fluid on it. All right, let's clean this off. Ah, Jesus. Doesn't look like we're leaking. Put this cover back on here. And we get to do brakes again once the the brake master shows up for the scooter. All right, well, I'm gonna take this for another trip around and see if those brakes will stick a little bit better. We'll be right back. All right. Get some gloves on this time. Okay. Oh yeah, she stopped pretty good. Oh, skidding in the back. Awesome. All right, we got the brakes working. We got the plates on. We got the mirrors on. It's a little shitty today, but you know, I don't know what time it is. I'll have to look at my my phone. But hopefully, if it's somewhere near 2:30, 3 o'clock, I don't think it is yet. But maybe get Trevor to come back here and we can take this thing for a spin or something, man. We'll get the GoPro on here. We'll get like the Insta360 stuck on there, and let's see what happens. I think I can't really do much with the scooter. The battery's charged. Maybe I'll put that in there and see if it'll crank. But anyways, that's it for this episode with the 350. And the next thing next time you see me, we're probably going to be on this bike. So we'll see you then. All right, easy.